Welcome to our story today. My name is Dee Hare, and today my son and I will read to you Let's Go for a Drive by Willems. We're reading with permission of the publisher and the author.
Hi, I'm Cole.
Piggy, I have a great idea. Let's go for a drive.
That sounds fun.
Drive, drivey, drive. Wait, if we are going on a drive, we need a plan.
A plan?
First, we need a map.
Let's have a map.
Get that map. You cannot go for a drive without a map.
Zap.
Drivey, drive. Map. Wait. It might be sunny while we drive. We need sunglasses.
I have sunglasses.
Get those sunglasses.
Zip.
Bringing sunglasses on a drive is good planning.
I have the sunglasses. Zap.
Drivey, drive. Sunglasses, sunny sunglasses. Wait. It might rain while we drive. We need umbrellas.
I have umbrellas.
Get those umbrellas.
Zip.
Make a plan and stick to it is what I say.
I have the umbrellas. Zap.
Drivey, drive. Umbrellas. Wait. We have so much stuff. We need bags.
I have bags.
Get those bags.
Zip.
You cannot go wrong with a good plan.
I have bags. Zip.
Drivey, drive. Bags, Becky, bags. Wait. There will be a lot of driving. We need a car. I said, we need a car. Do you have a car, Piggy?
No. I'm big. A pig with a car would be silly. Do you have a car?
I do not have a car. Oh no. We have everything we need for our drive except a car. Our plans are ruined. What are we going to do now?
We could play pirate.
Who needs plans when you have a pig for a pal?
Arrgh.
Thank you for listening to our story today. Join us again tomorrow for another fun story time.
See ya.